Welcome to Providence Oaks, right outside of Raleigh and Fuquay-Varina, North Carolina. We offer flexible, open-concept, two-story floor plans across 281 home sites with many neighborhood amenities. You'll love living just 3 miles from charming downtown Fuquay-Varina with retail, craft breweries, coffee shops, and restaurants. Within a 10-minute drive, you have access to multiple parks with trails, picnic shelters, multi-purpose fields, playgrounds, and more. Pulte innovative smart home designs bring enhanced connectivity to your home with smart thermostats, doorbell cameras, and wireless access points. Our homes are ENERGY STAR certified with low HERS scores to cut electricity costs each month. See why so many have said yes to Providence Oaks.